Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories podcast. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot. My name is Leo. I'm very happy you are here with us today.
My name is Anna. I'm so happy to be here today, and I love learning about daily life in other countries.
Great. So let me start with a question, and you, our listener, can think too. When you hear the word India, what do you think about? Food? Colors? Busy cities? Or family life?
Good question. When I think of India, I think of many things. It is big, it is colorful, and daily life is very interesting.
Exactly. Today, we will talk about daily life in India. We will learn through a story. Slow English, easy words. Let's begin. Anna, how does the day start in India?
In many homes, the day starts very early. People wake up before the sun. The morning is quiet. The air feels calm.
What do people do first?
Some people pray. Some meditate. Some sit quietly and think. Many people drink warm water. This is a common habit.
That sounds peaceful. A calm start to the day. Now, let's talk about breakfast. What do people eat in the morning?
Breakfast is different in each region. India is very big. Food changes from place to place.
Tell us about the south of India.
In the south, people often eat idli and dosa. Idli is soft and white. Dosa is thin and crispy. They eat these with sambar and chutney.
And in the north?
In the north, people love paratha. Paratha is a flat bread. Sometimes it has potatoes inside. People eat it with yogurt or butter. It keeps them full for a long time.
Is there any food people eat everywhere?
Yes, many people eat poha. Poha is made from rice. It is light and easy to cook. It can be sweet or spicy.
Food is not only food, it is family time.
Yes, families sit together, they talk, they plan the day.
Okay, breakfast is done. People need to go out. How do they travel?
India has many ways to travel.
Let's start with trains.
Trains are very important. They go to many cities. They are cheap. Some trains are fast, some are slow. People travel long distances by train.
What about cities?
In cities, people use buses. Buses are often full, especially in the morning and evening.
And the small three-wheel cars?
Yes, they are called auto rickshaws. They're small, they're quick. People use them for short trips.
Big cities also have metros, right?
Yes, cities like Delhi and Mumbai have metro trains. They're fast, they're clean. They help people avoid traffic.
Many people also use motorcycles.
Yes, motorcycles and scooters are very common. They're easy to use in busy streets.
Now, let's talk about food again. Food is very important in India.
Yes, in the south, rice is a main food. People eat rice with vegetables and curry.
And in the north?
In the north, people eat more bread than rice. They eat roti and naan. Roti is thin, naan is soft and thick.
What about lentils?
Lentils are called dal. People eat dal almost every day. Dal is healthy. It gives energy.
And street food?
Street food is very popular. People eat samosa. It is fried and crunchy. They also eat chaat. It has many flavors.
Street food is not just food. It is social time.
Yes, friends and families share snacks. They talk and laugh.
Let's talk about school. How is a school day in India?
Schools start in the morning, usually at 8 or 9 o'clock. Students wear uniforms. They study math, science, history, and English.
English is important.
Yes, English is a key subject. Students have breaks. They eat lunch. They play with friends.
School ends in the afternoon.
Yes, after school, some students go home, some go to extra classes, some play sports.
And adults?
Many people work in farming. They grow rice and vegetables. In cities, people work with computers. They are teachers, doctors, engineers, or shopkeepers.
Many families run small shops.
Yes, family businesses are very common. Now it is evening. What happens? Evening is family time. People come home, they talk about their day, they eat dinner together.
That sounds warm.
Some families watch TV, some listen to music, some just talk.
In cities, people go out too.
Yes, they go to restaurants, they walk in parks, they visit night markets.
Night markets are lively.
Very lively. Lights, sounds, street food smells.
Family is very important in India.
Yes, many families live together. Grandparents, parents, children. This is called a joint family.
People help each other.
Yes, family gives support in good times and bad times.
Neighbors also help each other.
Yes, community is strong. Now the colorful part, festivals.
India has many festivals.
One famous festival is Diwali. It is the festival of lights.
People light lamps.
Yes, they clean their homes, they wear new clothes, they share sweets.
Another festival is Holi.
Yes, Holi is the festival of colors. People throw colors, they laugh, they dance.
Festivals bring people together.
Yes, they bring joy and connection.
So today we learned about daily life in India. Morning routines, food, travel, school and work, family.
India is a mix of old and new, tradition and modern life together.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day. Which part of daily life in India do you like most and why?
Write 1 or 2 simple sentences in English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for listening. Keep learning. One small step every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.